So here's another question, problem 7.1.39, and they're asking us to graph 1/2 x plus 9. And remember that f of x is the same thing as y. So there's a couple of ways to graph this. You can either graph it using an xy chart, or you can graph it using slope and y-intercept. And because of the form it's in, I think I'm just going to graph it using slope and y-intercept. Okay, so the slope here is the coefficient of our x, which is 1/2. And the y-intercept is our 9. So that would be the point 0.9 that I would graph. And I'm getting that because when a line is written in this form, y equals mx plus b, the coefficient of x is our slope, and the y-intercept is the constant. Okay, so when you're graphing using your slope and a y-intercept, you're always going to start with the y-intercept first and then graph out your slope from there. Okay, so I have this point 0.9, and if I plot that point, puts me right here, and then I'm going to count out 1/2. Now I can either rise in the positive direction and then run in the positive direction. That would be going up and over. But since that's going to kind of run me off my paper here, I'm actually going to go down and to the left. So going up and to the right is graphing positive for the rise and positive for the run, and that would give me, up 1 over 2, give me a point over here. I can also go down 1 and over 2, and that's going to give me a point over here, and either direction is okay. And you can keep doing that. You can go down 1 over 2 and get these points right here. Okay, so this point right here is 0.9. This point right here, I've gone down 1 and over 2, so this point's actually going to be at a -2 and then a +8. And it's a little bit hard to see on my graph, but that's where it'll be. And then this point right here, I've gone down another 1, so it's going to be over at or up at 7 and over at -4. So -4, 7. That's kind of in the way right there because I want to now just draw my line. Okay. All right, so that's what our line is going to look like there.